Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Barclays debit card. To start, you can activate your card by making your first chip and PIN purchase or using it at an ATM. This automatically activates the card and lets you use it for in-store payments immediately. If you want to use your card for online or contactless payments, open the Barclays app. Select your card and tap Activate. You can also do this through online banking by entering your card details and PIN. Once activated, your card is fully ready for all types of transactions, including shopping, online purchases, and contactless payments. And that's it. That's how to activate your Barclays debit card quickly and easily. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.